How to turn off announce calls feature in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down last and click on apps, and then scroll down and here see the option phone. Click on phone and then you can see the option announce calls. Click on announce calls, and if you can select always, then if you want to turn off announce calls, then simply click on never. And if you can select headphones and car, then your call announce while using headphones and car. And if you can select headphones only, your incoming call announce while using headphones only. And if you want to turn off announce calls, then simply click on never. So this is the way to turn off announce call in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.